This is your time. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be. Take a long, slow breath in through your nose and a gentle, audible sigh out through your mouth. Inhale peace and exhale any tension. One more deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into the warmth and comfort of this space. Your head, your neck, your shoulders, they're soft and relaxed. Your arms gently rest by your sides, and your legs are heavy and supported. Every muscle now lets go. It lets go even deeper. And in your mind's eye, I want you to picture a staircase in front of you. 10 soft, welcoming steps leading you gently downward into a deeper, calmer, more peaceful state. With each number I count, you'll take a step down. You're taking step 10. Feel your foot touch the first step. A wave of relaxation flows through you. On to step 9 now. Stepping down, your body becomes looser, softer. On to step 8, floating down, your mind quiets even more. Step 7, each step you take takes you deeper inside, into stillness. On to step 6, letting go of everything but the sound of my voice. Step 5, you're halfway there, twice as calm, twice as deeply relaxed. Step 4, your breath is slow and steady. Your thoughts are drifting like clouds. Step 3, down, deeper down, safe, soft and serene. Step 2, almost at the bottom now, every part of you in perfect peace. And step 1, you step on to the last step, into a beautiful inner space where all change is easy, all healing is natural, and everything flows. You are back in your deepest state, ready to receive, ready to transform. Now imagine a gentle but powerful vortex of energy forming just above your head. This is a vortex of pure, radiant healing, spinning in perfect clockwise direction. It's wide and luminous, like moonlight on still water. It's wider than your body, wider than your shoulders, wider than your mind could ever imagine. It holds everything you need: peace, lightness, deep rest, and emotional freedom. And now this vortex begins to move through you. It is here to rebalance, to realign, to soothe, to awaken every cell, every breath, every spark of you. Notice its glowing light, a blend of soft green and luminous white, carrying purity, clarity, and calm. Feel the tip of the vortex gently resting at the top of your head. It begins to move down, and you feel the energy softly sweeping through your scalp, your forehead, your temples, clearing the buzz, calming the monkey mind, quietening the chatter. Each thought now has space to soften, to still, and to simply drift away. The vortex moves into your throat, and here it pauses, calming your voice, your breath, your right to ask for what you need. This energy gives you permission to express yourself with calm and confidence. You speak gently, you ask easily, you are heard and you are safe. Now the vortex flows into your shoulders and chest, and as it reaches your heart, it deepens. This is where the most beautiful shift occurs. The vortex clears away every weight you've carried, everything that was never yours to hold. Here your heart opens like a garden in spring, soft, alive, vibrant. The vortex gently lifts away all residue of anything that doesn't serve you, anything that was never yours to carry. And in its place plants peace, ease, joy, and self-love. You feel yourself softening into the truth. You are enough, you are lovable, you are good, you are safe to rest, and you are allowed to let go. Now, the vortex glides into your belly, into your solar plexus and gut. It soothes, restores, realigns. Your digestion, your nerves, your breath, all sinking into a new, healthy rhythm. You feel light, energized, and balanced from within. Your body knows exactly what to do. It works in flow, in harmony, in radiant health. You trust your body, you trust your healing. The vortex now moves down through your hips, thighs, knees, and into your calves and feet. As it reaches the soles of your feet, a gentle valve opens. Everything that no longer serves you, any old tension, old patterns, old loops, gently pour out of you like sand from an hourglass. It's all gone, and what's left is stillness, softness, safety. You are calm, you are clear, you are home in your own body. Safe in your own body. Your entire being is now glowing with vibrant, sacred alignment. Your energy is grounded and light. Your sleep is effortless. Your mind is quiet. Your body is healed. And you feel restored. Feel your brilliant mind connecting to your body's deepest wisdom. You are now communicating directly with your cells, your DNA, your original perfect design. Every part of your being is remembering how to rest, how to feel safe, how to let go. Your body remembers how to sleep peacefully through the night. Your body knows exactly how to sleep. Your nervous system understands the language of stillness. When you breathe deeply, your whole nervous system relaxes with you. You pause with grace, you act with clarity. You are instructing your systems to sync, to flow, to thrive. You are commanding your immune system to strengthen. You are commanding your mind to release all unnecessary thoughts and beliefs that no longer serve you. You are commanding your heart to soften into love and connection and to heal. and every cell responds, every system aligns, every nerve listens. You are now deeply aligned to your true state, a state of ease, a state of joy, and a state of freedom. And as you go deeper into the core of you, into the power you've always held to return your body to perfect harmony. Your mind is in control of your body. You are guided by a network of intelligence that influences every cell within you. And every single cell is now responding to your calm, clear commands. You came into this world perfect. Every cell, every system was flawless. And now your body is remembering. You are commanding your cells to function perfectly. Your immune system to be wise and balanced. You are telling your body, I am safe, I am healing, I am free. And your body listens. Every nerve relaxes, every signal realigns. You are restoring your original design. You are returning to balance. You are becoming whole again. And now, as you feel this healing ripple through you, you step into your own sanctuary, your metaphor of wholeness. You are in your secret, sacred garden. The past is falling away like petals in the wind. You have arrived in this body, in this breath, in this moment. Sleep now, peacefully, deeply, all night long. And so it is.